Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make artichoke spinach dip from scratch. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F, drain and squeeze artichokes, and wilt spinach to remove moisture. In a warm, friendly tone, combine cream cheese, sour cream, Parmesan, garlic, and seasonings, then fold in the chopped artichokes and spinach. Transfer to a baking dish, top with extra cheese for a golden crust, and bake until bubbly and fragrant. Start by softening cream cheese to room temperature so it blends smoothly with sour cream and seasonings. Add lemon zest and garlic to brighten flavors, then fold in shredded Parmesan for body and nuttiness. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, and consider a pinch of red pepper flakes for mild heat. Keep the mixture creamy, but not runny, so it will bake into a thick, scoopable dip with a lovely golden top. Spoon the mixed dip into an oven-proof dish and smooth the top for even browning, then bake until bubbling and golden. While it bakes, prepare dippers like toasted baguette slices, pita chips, or sliced bell peppers for color and crunch. Let the dip rest 5 minutes after baking to set slightly, then serve warm and scoopable. Leftovers reheat well and make a delicious party snack or comforting appetizer for any gathering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.